In this video, you'll learn how to customize your Notion domain. By following these steps, you will be able to create a personalized web address for your Notion pages, enhancing your online presence and making it easier for others to find your content. Begin by navigating to the Notion website by entering notion.so into your web browser's address bar. Once the page loads, ensure you are logged into your account. If prompted, enter your login credentials to gain access to your workspace. Next, select the specific page you want to customize. This can be done by browsing through your workspace or searching for the page using the search function. Once you find the page, click on it to open it fully, as you will need to access the sharing settings. After the page is open, look for the Share button located in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on this button to reveal the sharing options. This section allows you to manage how your page is shared and published. Once you click on Share, you will see a menu with several options. Click on Publish, which will make your page publicly accessible. This step is essential for customizing the domain, as only published pages can have custom domains. After publishing, you will see the current Notion domain listed, typically in the format of your-page-name.notion.site. Click on the domain name to open the domain management settings. This is where you will begin customizing your domain. Next, find and select the option labeled Manage All Domains. This will take you to the section where you can manage any custom domains associated with your Notion pages. It is important to ensure you have a domain link to your page before proceeding. Once in the domain management area, click on the domains option. Here, you will see a list of domains you can manage. If you have not yet added a custom domain, you will need to do that first before you can customize it. After that, click on the three dots next to the domain you want to customize. This action will open a drop-down menu with various options. Look for the option that says Update Domain Name and click on it to begin the customization process. In the next step, you will click on Update Existing Domain. This will allow you to modify the current domain name associated with your Notion page. Ensure you have a new domain name in mind that aligns with your branding. Then confirm that this change will apply to all the sites live on this domain is selected. This ensures that your changes will affect all pages linked to the domain. Review your selections before proceeding to avoid any unintended changes. Now, change the name of the domain to your desired new name. Ensure that the name is unique and fits within the character limits defined by Notion. This name will be how others identify your page online. After entering the new domain name, click on Save Changes to apply your modifications. It is crucial to wait for the confirmation message indicating that your changes have been successfully saved. Finally, click on Close to exit the domain management settings. Your customized domain is now set and you can share it with others. Make sure to test the new domain to confirm it directs to your Notion page as intended. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.